The House of Representatives has formally opened deliberations on long-pending proposals that seek to ban political dynasties. Here's a report.
The House of Representatives has begun deliberations on proposed bills seeking to curb political dynasties in the country. Included are versions filed by House Speaker Bogie D and House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos, which were submitted in December. But during Tuesday's hearing of the House Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms, it emerged that there are already around 20 bills filed under the 20th Congress that aim to address political dynasties in the Philippines. One of these is the version filed by the Progressive Akbayan Party List. Under their proposal, relatives of a politician up to the 4th degree of consanguinity would be considered part of a political dynasty.
Grabe naman, 4th degree. Magre-result yan sa mass extinction. But if that mass extinction will result into the mass extinction of corruption, patronage politics, and poverty, then so be it.
Meanwhile, the version proposed by Caloocan Representative Edgar Erice seeks to limit related elected officials to only 2 and only up to the 2nd degree of relationship, such as a parent and child, one holding a national post and the other a local position.
Hindi makatwiran at hindi na epektibo kung pati magpipinsan at mas malayong kamag-anak ay babawalan. Kung ang iyong immediate family ay hindi magkasundo at sabay-sabay kayong kakandidato, pareho kayong madi-disqualify.
Also present at the hearing were representatives from civil society organizations, the framers of the 1987 Constitution, and 4 former Supreme Court justices. The discussion first tackled the long-standing debate on what exactly constitutes a political dynasty. As stated in Section 26, Article 2 of the Constitution, the state shall guarantee equal access to opportunities for public service and prohibit political dynasties as may be defined by law. The problem is, until now, no enabling law has been passed. And this is precisely what Congress must clearly establish in any bill that will be approved. This point was also emphasized by COMELEC Chairman George Garcia. According to him, the differing provisions among the various anti-political dynasty bills must first be reconciled.
Sa lahat po ng 21 bills, magkakaiba po ang remedies na ino-offer ng bawat isa. Tingnan niyo po, ang ginamit ng iba, disqualification. Ang ginamit ng iba, cancellation. Magkaiba po ang implication ng disqualification at cancellation. Can a dynasty be substituted? Dapat po mailagay din siguro yon. Kasi otherwise po, kung hindi, everybody can be substituted. Anybody can withdraw for a particular period.
House Speaker Bogie D assured the public that the House will respond to the people's call.
Malinaw ang aming hangarin na seryosong talakayin ito ng kapulungan ng buo, tapat, at may malasakit sa bayan at sa kinabukasan ng ating pong bansa. Isang panukala na katanggap-tanggap ng ating mga kababayan at ng ating mga kapwa lingkod bayan.
The next committee hearing on political dynasties is scheduled on February 10.